You're going to turn it up in that direction. Okay, turning. Turn it. Turn it. No, we're not going to move that yet. Turn it. There you are. Now we're going to go backwards. Megan, down to there, across to here, and down. Pull it back. That's it. Right, Lauren, you turn it that way. Turn it that way. Turn. I need a wee mirror there, Ian, that's all. Right, that's it. Right, straighten it up. To there. Right, hold on to there. A wee bit more down here. You watching your mirrors? You watching your mirrors to see you going backwards? Right, you keep it there.
Where?
Right. And then, hold it there. Now, Megan, head out the road, you're in my mirror. Now you just turn it that way a wee bit. That's it. There you are. Now we need to put it back where we came from so that Megan can have a turn, don't we? You right? Put it into first gear. Along there, push up. That's it. Now Lauren, we're going to go back to where you came from.
And then it's our turn.
And then it's Megan's turn. Right, whoop, need to turn it that way. That's it. No, turn it that way. Look forward because you're going up here. You need to look in the direction you're going.
And look this way.
And we'll go right up to the top and we'll hold on. Going up, you're going to head up in that direction, so turn it that way. Turn it up there. There you are. Right, Megan, I need reverse now, please. Back to there. Right, no, hold on. Right across now, back. Pull back. That's it. Thank you. Now, Lauren, we're going to turn very quickly. Turn. Turn, because we're going backwards into here and into Jill's car park.
Why?
Because we're going to swap over now. Right, and now Megan's going to have a turn. Straighten it up. Straighten. That's my girl. Right, now, Megan, neutral, please. And pull this handbrake on. Pull that out. There you are. Right, swap over now, please. Lauren, you sit there.
So that don't move.
That's right, darling. So, Lauren, first gear, please. Push it up. Push up. That's it. Let me take the handbrake off. Now, Megan, we're driving down that way.
And then help her.
I know, she's doing fine. Turn, Megan, please.
Please.
Okay. Turn.
What do I do now?
That's okay, watch. Now Megan, watch where you're going. Straighten up, please. Straighten up, you turn the other way. Straighten. Turn. Turn. That's it. Now straight down, whoop. You're going to go straight down now. Straight down. You're looking this way. You're looking there. Now, no, straight. Now, sit down, please. Now, Megan, you're going that way. You're going round there. Turn round that way.
And help her, please.
No, she's doing fine. Turn. Round to you. That's right. Good girl. Straighten. That's it. Right, Lauren, I need reverse. Pull back. Pull down. That. Now, Megan, you're going to turn this way because we're going into the driveway. Okay?
But one had 2 shops.
Right, well, what we'll do is we'll go up and we'll turn and come back. Okay?
Yeah, then can I have a shop? And then what do I do now?
Hold on.
And then can I have a shop?
Right, Lauren, first gear.
Then can I have a shop afterwards?
No, after that we're going in for a bath.
No, I don't have.
Megan, I'll stop now if you're not careful. Right, you're going driving up there, please. Look, turn to drive up there. Turn. Right, watch where you're going. Straighten now. Straighten. Turn the other way a wee bit so that you go straight up. Turn a wee bit. That's it. Now drive yourself straight up the road. Turn right hand down a wee bit. Right hand down a wee bit to miss the van. Down. There you are. Straight now. Now, hold on, we're going to stop up here and Megan's going to reverse it back into Jill's thing, then we swap over to Lauren.
And then we can have a turn after that.
One last turn after that, and that means you've both had 2 turns. Yeah. Turn. You got to turn it that way. Now turn it. And now hold it there, that's it. Because that's us going backwards into Jill's car park. Straighten. Keep turning to straighten it up. That's it. issue. Right now, Lauren, handbrake on. Pull. There you are. Now we swap over.
And then